Hey guys, welcome back to the unboxing group. Today we have Tecno Pova Curve 5G. This phone is launched in India at the price would be just 15,000. So is it really a budget clear phone? Let's dive right into the video. While looking into the box, you get the smartphone, a case cover, and a 45-watt charging brick and a Type-C cable. And directly jumping towards the phone design and the display, this is the slimmest phone of India with a curved display. Yes, this is ultra slim 7.45mm body, which make it looks futuristic, and it is truly a lightweight phone that I have ever used in my life. Now, having a look over the display part, this comes with a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus curved AMOLED display, which supports a 144Hz refresh rate and up to 1300 of nits brightness. It offers a visually rich experience for gaming, streaming and everyday use. Also, it feels really premium and rarely seen in this price bracket. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 added on durability. Now talking about the performance, this phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate chipset. This phone handles multitasking in gaming with ease with up to 8GB RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. Also, you can expand this 8GB RAM virtually and make it a 16GB. Tecno has done a good job optimizing Android 15 with its high OS 15 skin to over a fairly clean and responsive software experience, and I would say this definitely looks different than similar priced phone in this segment. So I can clearly say that the performance of the chipset is enough for the day-to-day task and have enough power to deliver the performance at this price. Now directly jumping to the camera part, this phone is packed with 64MP Sony IMX682 primary sensor. It captures detailed and vibrant shots in good lighting. While not a photography powerhouse, the camera setup is competent for social media ready photos and casual shooting. The 13MP front camera delivers decent selfies enhanced by AI features. But yes, there is a thing that you can record 4K video at 30fps from the back camera. Now talking about the battery and the charging part, this phone has a massive 5500mAh battery that powers the device, making it suitable for heavy users and gamers. With 45-watt fast charging, you can get 50% charge in just 15 minutes and full charge in around 45 minutes, which is really an impressive part at this price segment. Now talking about audio and connectivity, this phone comes with a stereo speaker setup with Dolby Atmos that delivers immersive sound. Supports 5G, comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4. It is also IP64 rated for water and dust resistance. The phone also brings AI features that are quite impressive, like AI voice print suppression, auto call answer, and AI voice assistant named Ella that enhance the hands-free functionality. Now discussing about the pricing and the variants, you get two different variants. 6GB plus 128GB that comes at 16,000 rupees price, and 8GB plus 128GB that comes at 17,000 rupees price. This phone is going to be exclusively available at Flipkart from the June 5, where you can get some bank offers and EMI option as well. Now coming to the conclusion, there are some pros and there are some cons. Pros like beautiful curved AMOLED display, excellent battery life with fast charging, smooth performance for daily use and gaming, premium design and solid build, and good stereo sound with Dolby Atmos. Looking at the cons, no ultra wide or telephoto lens, high OS still has some bloatware, only UFS 2.2 storage, so you cannot have that fast data transferring speed on this phone. Now my final take, the Tecno Pova Curve 5G is a stylish, high-value smartphone that brings flagship-level aesthetics and very capable performance to the sub 17,000 rupees segment. It's perfect choice for users who want a great display, long battery life, and a strong 5G performance without breaking the bank. So if you're looking for a device that looks and feels premium but is affordably priced, the Pova Curve 5G is worth serious consideration. The links are given in the description, you can check it out from there. But before leaving the video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such tech. See you guys in the next video.